Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Erode location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for back office executive for the organization Ascent eDigit Solutions Private Limited. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Experience required minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. Qualification if we see should be diploma or degree. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role back office executive. And if you see the responsibilities, should have a good knowledge in MS Office like MS Excel, MS Word and MS PowerPoint. To apply for the job role, you have to browse the official careers web page of Ascent eDigit Solutions Private Limited organization provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. The link is http://www.aedi.com/cer_oppo_rdus.htm So this is the official careers web page. The link is available below in description. You do not worry about that. You can directly browse the link. Next, there is a job openings for team leader software division for the organization Ascent eDigit Solutions Private Limited. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 5 years of experience is required in designing and building software applications. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role team leader software division. And if we see the responsibilities, you should design, develop and execute software solutions to address business issues. You should provide architectural blueprints and technical leadership to our IT team. We should evaluate and recommend tools, technologies and a process to ensure the highest quality product platform. You should interpret business requirements to articulate the business needs to be addressed. You should collaborate with other professionals to determine functional and non-functional requirements for new software or applications. You should develop high-level product specifications with attention to system integration and feasibility. So these are all the responsibilities. To apply for this job role, you have to browse the official careers web page of Ascent eDigit Solutions Private Limited organization provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for farm in charge for the organization CIEL HR. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 25,000 to up to 40,000 a month. Minimum qualification is BSc in agriculture. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role farm in charge. And if you see the responsibilities, you should have experience in handling a farm independently would suit. So the candidates who are having experience in handling a farm, they will be suitable for this job role. And the size of the farm is 40 acres. The main job is man management, like people management. Total there will be a 15 employees. For bachelors there is a accommodation facility as well. People from Gubi and Bhavani also preferred. So these are all the locations they are giving preference. So job location will be Erode only. To apply for the job role, you have to share your resume at the provided email ID, that is jobs@cielhr.com. Next, there is a job openings for bank officer for the organization CIEL Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 14,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Minimum qualification is any degree. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role bank officer. And if you see the responsibilities, you should ensure proactive registration and activation of acquired customers to direct banking channels. You should assist the sales manager in catchment mapping and scoping exercise and provide regular feedback to customer needs. You should meet and exceed the defined targets of new customer acquisition month on month by analyzing transaction banking needs of the customer. You should inform customers of new products or product enhancements to further expand the banking relationship. You should plan and conduct special sales initiatives and events for prospective and existing clients. You should coordinate with the other group companies to provide seamless access to the other products. You should maintain complete relationship record for assigned customer accounts. You should track customer complaints or queries and regular times for customer satisfaction. You should maintain that customer satisfaction as well. To apply for the job role, you have to share your resume at the provided email id, that is jobs@cielhr.com. Next, there is a job openings for accounts executive for the organization J Textile Unit Private Limited. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 11,500 to 12,000 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role accounts executive. Responsibilities, if you see, should have experience in tally with GST, should able to handle the accounts. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9943778880. Next, there is a job openings for accounts assistant for the organization Tancro Services. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role accounts assistant. And the responsibilities, if you see, so the person should work as accountant come telecaller. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7550064480. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive for the organization Beauty Wears. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. Freshers are eligible for the job role, sales executive, and both male and female candidates are eligible. Responsibilities, if you see, the candidate should be able to attend the customers in the showroom, should show the organization's display. You should give the quote according to the requirements, and you should able to build the quote as well. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9788436333. Next, there is a job openings for QA and logistics executive for the organization KCP Engineers Private Limited. Job location is Perundarai, Tamil Nadu. Experience required about 5 years experience in QA and dispatch of pipes from the plant to various construction sites. Minimum qualification is BE Mechanical or Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role QA and logistics executive. And if you see the responsibilities, applicants should also have a two-wheeler and a valid driving license. You should ensure quality and quantity. You should ensure timely dispatch of pipes to various sites. You should keep records of pipes dispatched, including dia details and types of pipes and numbers. Candidates should be Erode or Perundarai and should be ready to join at a short notice. So these locations will be preference will be given. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7339202666. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive air conditioner. For a air conditioner, they are looking for a sales executive position for the organization Welsons Engineers Private Limited. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. To apply for the job role, sales executive, you can browse the official careers web page of Welsons Engineers Private Limited provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for receptionist and administration assistant for the organization Westland Hotel. Job location is Erode, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 10,500 a month. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. And if you see the skill set required, good English speaking skills and a basic computer knowledge is required. Candidates within the Erode city limit only will be preferred. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9750813438.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.